Hello everybody, I am LAXMINARAYANA, lecturer in botany. Today I'll explain about that Pentoxylales general characters. The plants were probably shrubs or small trees. The habit is not known, but the size and diameter of the stem, its branching and leaves reflect upon its shrubby or tree-like habit. The branches were of two types, long shoots and dwarf shoots. The leaves were spirally arranged. The stems were polystylic with 5 and 6 primary styles, hence the name pentaxylic. Each stele has its own complete ring of cambium. The development of secondary wood is exocentric. The secondary medullary rays were uniseriate. The leaves were simple, lanceolate and thick. The venation was open, rarely reticulate. The reproductive organs were unisexual. The female strobili look like mulberries. The male organs consist of a whorl of branched sporangiopores fused at the base into a disc. The sporangiospores bear microsporangia on its short branches. The reproductive organs are borne terminally or short branches. The tracheids have crowded circular bordered pits on their radial walls. Interseminal scales and consisted only of a thick central axis with ovals attached to it in a spiral manner. The ovals were sessile. These are the few general characters of the Pentoxylales. Thank you. Thank you for the watching.
Subscribe on YouTube.